A factory reset on your Schlage Encode Wi-Fi Deadbolt erases all data, including codes, Wi-Fi settings, and history. It's crucial when troubleshooting connectivity issues, resolving app sync errors, selling the lock, or after firmware glitches. Resetting restores the lock to its default mode, preparing it for a fresh setup. This is the first step to resolve most issues. Before starting the reset process, ensure your Schlage Encode lock is powered with fresh AA batteries, which typically last between 6 to 12 months. Have the Schlage Home app installed on your smartphone. Ensure your phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network you intend to connect the lock to. A stable Wi-Fi connection is essential for reconnection after the reset. Begin by removing the battery cover on the interior side of the lock. Locate the Schlage button, usually near the interior side of the keypad, and the Schlage button on the keypad. Press and hold the Schlage button inside while simultaneously pressing the Schlage button on the keypad. While holding both buttons, reinsert the batteries. Continue holding until you hear a beep, approximately 5 seconds. The lock will then enter pairing mode, indicated by a flashing green light. Open the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. Tap the option to add lock and select Schlage Encode. The app will guide you through connecting the lock to your Wi-Fi network. The app may generate a QR code for scanning to simplify the process. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete the reconnection. If you encounter problems during reconnection, use the Forget Lock option within the Schlage Home app to remove any previous configurations. Retry the reconnection process from the beginning. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is stable and that you are entering the correct password. Consider moving closer to the router during the setup process to improve signal strength. The Schlage Encode uses AES-256 encryption for secure data transmission. While a factory reset wipes pins and remote access, preventing unauthorized entry, be aware that physical access to the lock during the reset process could expose it to tampering. Always perform resets in a secure environment. After resetting, ensure you create strong, unique access codes. The Schlage Home app version 5.2, released in January 2026, includes AI-assisted troubleshooting with a smart reset feature. This update provides AI-assisted troubleshooting to help users resolve issues more easily. The smart reset feature guides users through the reset process with in-app prompts, reducing the need for manual steps. Make sure your app is updated to access these advanced features, which can make resetting and reconnecting the lock much smoother. Additionally, the app supports the Matter protocol, enabling integration with a wider range of smart home devices. Cybersecurity experts recommend factory resetting your Schlage Encode lock before reselling it to prevent data leaks from falling into the wrong hands. Privacy advocates suggest manually deleting your Schlage account after resetting to ensure all cloud data is fully cleared, since factory resets don't always remove cloud-stored information. Regularly check for firmware updates in the Schlage Home app to maintain optimal performance and security. These updates often include important patches and improvements. If issues persist after trying these steps, consult Schlage's official support documentation or contact their customer service for personalized assistance.